All right, we are at 85% destruction on the car. So pretty much everything you're looking at right now will be gone, replaced, brand new subframe, new inner fenders, new motor, transmission. Everything from the firewall forward will be gone. So we're not too concerned with that. This windshield will be coming out next. Wiper blades, that stuff, and we'll get all this trim off, figure out whether we're gonna chrome it, clean it, whatever. We got this gigantic pile of seats that were just huge mouse condominiums. That's the second garbage bag full, the less disgusting garbage bag full, and then probably that shop vac is probably packed and disgusting. But we're gonna finish vacuuming these up and we'll just store them upstairs. The floor, we've got a little wire wheeling to do, get the fuzz off of it, make sure there isn't any rust that we missed anywhere, but the normal spots that are completely toasted are okay. We found some patches for the front up here, so that'll all be getting brand new toe boards and that. And this back here, where the convertible mechanism all goes, it's usually rotted out, is in good shape. So we'll wire wheel that, cover it in KBS, make sure it doesn't get rusted. A lot of the section back here, the wheel tubs are getting extended like 2 inches. So a lot of this stuff will come out and get remade. But we're pretty much set so that the next day when we come in here, we will just start stripping all of this paint off, get everything down to bare metal, and make our list of patches and pieces we need to order to get this thing back into running shape.